a girl named Ishika. She knew words, she understood English, she watched videos, but she never tried to speak. Why? She afraid of speaking. One day her teacher asked Ishika speak in English. She stood up, her hand shaking. She tries to speak, but words didn't come out. Some students laughed at her. She sat quietly. She decided, I never try English again. After some time, she saw a boy speaking broken English. He made lots of mistakes, but he is still speaking. Nobody is able to stop him. Time she realized English never stopped me. Fear stops me. She decided from that time, I speak English. I didn't afraid of anyone. Again she started speaking English. Slowly she improved. After a few months, she able to speak English confidently. What do you learn from this lovely story? Fear stops us, not English. Don't be fear. Just start speaking and then you became confident. Repeat, I am not afraid. I will speak. I will improve. I am confident. I want to ask you a question. What type of fear you have? Fear of people? Fear of to making mistakes? You don't feel confident. You just think, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Really? The truth is, nobody cares about you. Everyone is busy in her life. So don't don't be care of anyone. Just speak confidently. That's much. A boy named Rahul, he knew English, but he never spoke. Because why? He felt that he afraid of speaking. One day he tried to speak one sentences. People laughed at him. Again he spoke. Again people laughed at him. But he never stopped. He started speaking. Then what happened? After some times, people stopped to laugh at him. So, what do you learn from this story? That people always laughed at you at the beginning. So don't stop about thinking that what people say, what happened if people laughed at him. Don't worry. You have to just focus on your growth. Don't people. Say with me. I don't care people. I will speak. Don't try perfect English. Start simple sentences like I'm going, I'm eating, I'm trying, I'm happy, I'm confident, I'm the best